Hello everybody, today I'm going to make a very healthy and delicious breakfast recipe for you from the South Indian cuisine. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Uttapam. So let's get started. So my batter is ready. It is the normal batter, the rice and urad dal batter which we use for idli and dosa. So since it's ready, I'm going to add the ingredients to it. So first I'm going to add the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes to it. Next I'm going to add chopped capsicum. Also going to add carrots to it, finely chopped carrots, gajar. I'm also going to add to it finely chopped beans, French beans. Now it's time for some onion, finely chopped onion, and some green chilies. You can add the green chilies as per your taste. Wow, so many healthy vegetables. I'm also going to add to it some red chili powder. You can add as per your taste. If you like it very spicy, you can add a little more. Salt also as per your taste. And I'm going to add a pinch of ajwain for digestion. I'm also adding some curry patta to it. I'm going to mix the whole batter. I'm going to mix it properly so that all the vegetables and the other ingredients which have been added to it get mixed properly in the batter. It is a very healthy recipe for the babies because it has all vegetables, plenty of vegetables in it. You can add the vegetables as per your wish. If you want to have more vegetables, you can add more, and if you want to have a little less, you can add lesser number of vegetables to it. If the batter appears to be thick, you can add a little water. I have not added water to it because it was already I had the consistency which I wanted, so I have not added water to it. But you can add if the batter appears to be thick. Now the pan is hot. I'm going to add a few drops of oil to it. Wow, I'm loving it. It seems to be very delicious. So now I'm going to turn it. Okay, so now it's time to turn the uttapam, but before that I'm going to check from the sides whether it's brown or not. If the uttapam leaves the pan, it means that the uttapam is ready to be turned, and it is leaving the pan, so it's now time to turn the uttapam. I am also adding a few drops of water, a few drops of oil on the top. So the top layer has started drying up. I'm going to turn the uttapam. Oh wow! I can smell it. It's very nice. I'm pressing the uttapam a little with the spoon so that it cooks properly. I am cooking it on low flame, and I think my uttapam is ready. The other side is ready too. And yes, it's time to taste. I'm sure it's going to be very delicious, and my kids are going to love it. Taking it on my plate. It's very hot now. I'm going to take the first bite. And yum! It's so tasty! Trust me friends, it's very tasty. I want all of you to try this healthy breakfast for your babies Uttapam. It's very healthy and delicious too.